What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, it's the best money channel on YouTube. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell, so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking. This one right here, King Hussle. King Hussle X1M, no rags, it's just riches. King Hussle Crazy Reactions, the Hussle family, turn motivation into means, dog pound exotic pups, goosebumps horror stories, sleeping with the rain, King Hussle 2.0, and Milwaukee man King Hussle. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. All right, got a lot of fake King Hussle pages out there, so please get a FaceTime verification call or a video. Make sure you see this face. Make sure you are doing legit business and you are getting what you paid for, right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only, not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. What it do, my real King Hussle fans, supporters, and subscribers out there, my real Hussle Nation Empire family members. And we are back at it again with the gems. We are back at it again with the sauce. I'm back at it again with the information that's going to turn you into a boss. So if you're tired of being a zero, you're ready to be a friendly hero, listen up, take a seat, take a note, and let's get to this information that's going to get you out the door. All right, because in today's video, I'm finna tell you and show you how you can go from a zero to your family hero. You ready? Hold on. You ready to be a family hero? You ready to start bossing up? You ready to start making some money? You ready to start making some easy money? I'm talking about easy money. You don't need no credit. You don't need no cash. You can wake up broke and say, you know what? I'm gonna watch this video. I'm gonna do exactly what he said. I'm gonna make me between $5,000 to $25,000 in 7 days. Easy as that. All right. All you gotta do is follow these steps. All you gotta do is listen up and just take notes of what I'm saying, because I promise you, a lot of people are doing it and you can do it too. All right. So in today's video, we're gonna talk about real estate wholesaling, where you need no cash or no credit to start flipping homes, all right? And basically all you're doing is middleman at houses. That's all you're doing. You're linking up motivated sellers with investors and you're closing the deal, right? So it's a lot of people out there that's heard of wholesaling and real estate. A lot of people have seen videos that on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, people talking about wholesaling and real estate. Well, basically wholesaling and real estate is when you, the wholesaler, you go around and you find motivated sellers, which are people who are looking to sell their home fast, and you're linking them up with investors, people who are looking to buy homes fast. So, about 10 years ago, you used to have to drive around, look for distressed homes, go on Zillow.com, public records, start looking up owners of houses and things like that. But in today's era, we made it way easier. It's way easier for you to flip a home and get it done fast. And in today's video, I'm going to give you the steps on to do that, right? So let's get to it. So the first thing you got to understand is that you need to find somebody, you need to find a motivated seller. And I know a lot of people drive around, they see those signs that say we buy houses. 9 times out of 10, those are wholesalers looking for people to call them to saying, hey, I'm selling my house. Are you looking to buy it? And then they're linking that, getting that house under contract and linking it up with an investor. But it's way easier than that. So in today's world, well, first let's start with the tools you're going to need to do this. You're going to need no credit, no cash. You're going to need 2 pieces of documentation. You're going to need a purchase contract and an assignment contract. How do you get these 2 documents? All you have to do is go on Google, type in real estate wholesaling, purchase, and assignment contract for whatever state that you're in. Once you search that, multiple is going to pop up. And all you got to do is save it, download it, print it out. Now you got your documents that you need. 2 pieces of paper that you're going to need. Once you do that, once you have your documents, now you need to go download this app right here, Deal Machine for Real Estate. Because Deal Machine for Real Estate has everything in one for you. All the motivated sellers, all the investors, everything about the house, the homeowner's information, everything. So you don't got to go just scrambling around looking for all different type of information to get in contact with this seller. So once you go on Deal Machine for Real Estate, use this promo code right here, DM Hussle. That's DMHUSSLE. Use that promo code and you have a 7-day free trial. And in that 7-day free trial, you have the opportunity to make you anywhere between $5,000 to $25,000. How? This is how you're going to do it. So once you use my promo code DM Hussle, DMHUSSLE, the link is also in the description. So you can just click the link and it'll take you to the sign in, login web page. Once you log in, once you create an account, whatever city or state that you're in, you're going to go to search. You're going to go to filters. You're going to click vacant and free and clear. So now that you know that this house is vacant and free, nobody stays there, and it's clear of all liens and things like that. So once you click on that and you already have typed in the city and state that you're in, all the houses of motivated sellers are going to pop up. Hundreds and hundreds of houses, maybe thousands of houses are going to pop up. So once you find a house that you want to work with, you're going to click on that. You're going to click on that house, and then you're going to go to message. So you're going to message, give me a cash offer for this home. An AI generated cash offer is going to be presented to you. Once you get that, so let's say you get a cash offer for $150,000 for this house. Once you get that cash offer from the AI, you're going to go back and you're going to go to the homeowner's details and you're going to contact that homeowner. So once you contact that homeowner, this is where your due diligence comes in at. This is where your script comes in at. Learning how to talk to people, learning how to get homes under contract. So let me give you an example. Hello, how you doing today? My name is such and such with such and such properties. I seen your home on Deal Machine. I'm an investor, and I'm looking at, were you still looking to sell your home? Yes, I am. Okay, I got a message. I sent a message and got an AI offering for $150,000. But before you call that homeowner, always do your research on that property. Always go to Zillow, do your MLAs and all that to see what's the average price of the homes that's being sold around that area. The average price of the homes that's being sold around that area, because they might want 150, but the average price is 130 of the homes is being 135, 135 of the homes is being sold. So you might can work a deal for 135, 137. So let's say you get the home under contract for 135. You get them under contract. So then you go back to Deal Machine for Real Estate, and you go to the investors, and you click in the city and state that you're in, and all the investors will come in. So once all the investors come up, you're gonna start contacting investors, saying, "Hey, I got this house. I have a house for sale for $150,000." You're gonna contact. You might negotiate a deal with somebody. Say, "Well, I have $145,000." Cool. You're going to find you a title company in that area that works with wholesale dealers. Now, a lot of people, not every title company will not work with wholesalers. So you have to find all this information before you even start working out a deal, so you can already know where to go once you get the house under contract and the investor under contract. So once you get you find an investor to buy the house for $145,000, you take that to the title company. The title company will work out all the behind the scenes deals or behind the scenes information. So make sure there's no liens on the house, making sure everything is clear and ready to go. So the day of closing, you'll get your the seller will get their check for $135,000. You'll get your check for $10,000, and the buyer, the investor, will get the deed and the keys to the home. Easy as that. Now, a lot of people out there say, "Oh, wholesaling in real estate isn't as easy as it seems." Well, technically it is as easy as it seems. It's not as hard as people make it out. It's just about you actually putting in the work to make these deals go through. A lot of people would think that everything is just wake up, here you go, here goes some money. No, you got to actually do something to make some money. So if waking up, going on Google, typing in real estate wholesaling, assignment and purchase contracts for whatever state that you're in, downloading those contracts, printing those contracts out. Now you have the documents that you need. Call around your area to title companies, asking do they deal with wholesalers, finding the title company that does. Now you got your documents that you need, and you got a title company. Now you go to Deal Machine for Real Estate. Use that promo code DMHUSSLE. That's DM Hussle. That will give you 7 days free, 7-day free trial for you to make $5,000 to $25,000. Because once you get your account, you're gonna go in there. You're gonna type in whatever city or state that you're in. You're gonna go to the filters. You're gonna type in vacant, free, and clear. Click on those two. Search. All the properties gonna pop up. Click on the property. Contact the owner. Get your script together. Negotiate a price for that home. Get it under contract. Once you get it under contract, go back to Deal Machine for Real Estate. Go to the investor side. Click on the investors. Same city, same state. A list of investors going to pop up. Start making your calls. Start negotiating. Start, learning how to talk to people. Learning how to handle business. Find you an investor that's willing to take that house under contract. You might negotiate a price with them. So, like I said, you might get the house for $145, but they willing to take it for $142 or something like that. And you don't always be so thirsty, because you might get somebody who's willing to get the whole 45, but you might get somebody instantly is ready to get it for 142 or 143. Just get it, because they might back out the deal because you took too long and they found another property, or you never found somebody to get it for that 145 and you miss out. So just get that deal and get as many deals as you can, because like I said, you can work 2, 3 deals, 5, how many deals that you want at one time. So if you're working 10 deals at one time, and you make at least $10,000 on each deal at one time, you got the opportunity to make at least $100,000 at one time off these 10 deals. And now that you got it under your ball, under your wing, and under your finger, and you know how the steps, because like I said, it's that easy to do wholesaling in real estate. It's that easy. It's not science. Like people make things try to make seem like things are harder what they are, because they're too lazy to make it happen, and they don't want anybody else to make it happen. So they want to put it in your head so you won't do it. But let me put it into your head and let you know that it's really that easy. There's just so many people out there that's scared and afraid to try something and do something new. And once something comes out where you got to pay a fee of $100 or something like that to get something, it's, oh man, that $100 may be holding you back from getting $100,000. Nothing in life is free. Understand that. Yes, you do have to pay for Deal Machine, but Deal Machine for Real Estate is the perfect app for you to go to start wholesaling in real estate, because it has everything in one. You don't have to drive around all day and try to find the homeowner's information and public right. It's all right there for you. A lot of people aren't serious about life. A lot of people don't have the courage, or a lot of people don't believe in themselves to even make anything like that happen. You can literally wake up today broke as a joke, follow these steps, go on Google, get the purchase contract there, and the assignment contract, download Deal Machine for Real Estate, use my promo code DM Hussle, DMHUSSLE, look for a property, pick a property, multiple properties, because you might not, that one property that you pick, you might not get that under contract. So as long as you make multiple calls, like if it's you and your girlfriend or whoever, you and your spouse, or you and a cousin, you and a best friend, or whatever, both of y'all start making calls. Hey, I found your house on Deal Machine for Real Estate, or I'm an investor, I'm looking to get your house on there. Just come up with you can literally Google scripts that people use when they call homeowners when they're trying to get them under contract, and you can use the exact same script. And once you get a hang of it, you will understand how easy it is to make money, because you already made a couple $1,000. You maybe made $2,500, you might make $5,000, but you made some money with no cash and no credit. And if you continue to process, it'll stack, you can grow, and you can invest, and you can make some more. Easy as that. So, anybody out there homeless, you ready to go get rich fast, same in a couple of days, 2 days, you ready to change your life around, you looking for a hustle, you looking for a way to make passive income, you tired of going to a job and helping that company make millions of dollars while they pay you pennies on the dollars, try this hustle right here. Because I promise you, there's so many people doing it, and so many people who know about it that aren't doing it, it's enough room for everybody out there. There's always a property that's being sold. There's always somebody looking to buy a property. So get into the game. Start making some passive income. Wholesaling of real estate. Deal machine for real estate. Use my promo code DMHUSSLE, DM Hussle, and start your journey to becoming a self-made millionaire. All right, so make sure y'all follow steps. Make sure y'all follow that information. Make sure y'all really hearing what I'm saying, taking notes. If y'all need lessons, get y'all lessons right now. I'm doing a deal for everybody because a lot of people been complaining about the prices being too high and blah, 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 which is all right, cool. So it's the beginning of the year, so I'm doing a deal. FaceTime 101 Unlimited Gems is $350. Yes, $350. You need any type of credit lessons. You want to learn how to clean your credit the right way and build your personal credit the right way so you can establish towards your business credit and start getting major loans, credit cards, and lines of credit, $50,000 no-doc loans. Get y'all FaceTime 101 Unlimited Gems. You will learn how to do these methods the right way so you can start making instant thousands of dollars. You want to learn how to make anywhere from $500 to $10,000 a day all profit. You want to learn how to make anywhere from $15,000 to $100,000 a month all profit. You want to learn how to make passive income. You want to learn how to invest. You want to learn how to just start making money because you're tired of being broke because it ain't no joke. Get y'all FaceTime 101 Unlimited Gems right now for $350. Yes, $350 Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Once the $350 is in Cash App or Bitcoin balance, send me the screenshot. Let me know your payment ready, and then we will go from there. Send me the screenshots on my IG or my Telegram. If you don't send that screenshot, you will not get a response. All right, so no 21 questions. Don't yo me to death. Don't be saying yo till I get a response. Y'all already know the rules. So you not following the rules is not going to get you a response. Easy as that. So send a screenshot. I'm doing a deal. I'm helping my people out. $350 for FaceTime 101 Unlimited Gems. That's for credit lessons and any lesson that you need, any information that you need, any help that you need. All right, $350 Cash App, Bitcoin payment, FaceTime 101 Unlimited Gems. Also, get y'all in-person Limited Gems for $5,500, $500 deposit, $5,000 when we meet in person. Get y'all 3-month mentorship for $7,500. Make sure you go subscribe to the Telegrams, the New Age Credit Repair, and the Millionaire Network. Also, $100 to get into my private Telegram, my dark web Telegram, for all that information, any type of information over there. It's $100 to enter that. There's no window shoppers, no game players, none of that. You enter, you gotta pay to enter that. Still look for people for the production company. Still look for rappers, singers, models, producers, cameramen, and women. We do a lot of skits, blogs, movies, music videos. So much entertainment, so much fun, so much traveling, and we're gonna make a lot of money. So let's work, let's get it in. DM me on my IG, King Hussle X1M, and the real King Hussle X1M. That's my backup. Make sure you follow my blog channels, No Rags, Just Riches, King Hussle 2.0, Milwaukee Made King Hussle. Make sure you go follow my clothing brand on IG, Buscalet Apartment. Dropping new jogger sets real soon in apparel and kids apparel. Top of March. Be looking out on that. I will be doing a deal. If you get a $500 load, I will give you a free jogger with that. All right, so if you want a free jogger, you want to make some money, don't miss out on this deal. Tap in. It's going to get real, all right? Make sure you follow my horror story channel, Goosebumps Horror Stories. Make sure you follow my rain channel, Sleeping with the Rain, to create a positive financial frequency. So when you sleep, play those videos, the rain sounds, to create a positive financial frequency so you can start generating financial freedom and generational wealth for yourself, for your family, and for the people that you love. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in with the deal, man. $350 for FaceTime 101 Unlimited Gems. You want to learn any type of credit information. You want to learn how to help get your credit together, your personal, leverage it towards your business. I'll help you start your business, get your business bank account. You want to learn how to do these methods the right way so you can start making instant thousands. You want to learn how to invest so you can be blessed, make passive income. You want to learn how to start a business. You want to learn how to do anything and start making money. Get y'all FaceTime 101 Limited Gems for $350 because this deal will not last too long. All right, so don't miss out. Dropping this video today. So let's get it, make it happen. So with that being said, it's your boy King Hussle. Y'all know how to get down to any of these videos. I will see you at the next lesson or video. Peace.